Okay, so we are just 10 days out. Well, not even 10 days. We are 8 days out from Danae's party. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto Facebook and I'm going to search Danae's. So hers pulls up. I can see that she already invited 16 people. So this is awesome. So I'm going to go through every single one of these people and text them. And we're going to say this. We're going to go over to our Boards app. We're going to do parties, guest message. And the very first one just says, hi, thanks so much for joining. My name is Brandy and I am Danae's Mary Kay lady. It is on the 19th at 8 p.m. My bad. At 8 p.m. Central Time. Do you think you can make it? Then you can either just copy it or you can use the Boards app, but I already entered that information. So I'm just going to go through, click the name, say message, send. Click the name, message, send. Paste, send. So the reason that I skipped McKenna and Kay and Danae and JC is because they are already my customers. So I know that they've tried this product before. If they haven't, I would have done the same thing. But McKenna is actually one of my consultants, so that's funny. I am at Judy, and it just takes me about 3 minutes to sit here and do all of these. And it just kind of gets us set up for success and gives us a chance to So I got my first message back, so I'm going to go ahead and open Messenger, and she just sent her address. Sometimes they do that, sometimes they don't. So I push number 2, which is, yay, so glad you can make it. And it has all these questions. Do you have combination, oily, dry, or normal skin? Have you ever tried Mary Kay? What is your mailing address? What is your cell phone? The reason we get their cell phone is for the interview afterwards. So we already have it. It's one less step. And in case a lot of people don't always look at Messenger like we do, so it's so important to have their phone number to get in touch with them as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to 3. She already sent me her mailing address, so I'm just going to delete that and send. Once I get this information, I am going to literally just create a quick sample packet, which I'm going to show you guys how to do in a separate video so that you guys could just click on it. But I do use samples from the company. If you need samples from, you can make your own with like little Ziploc baggies, but it just takes way too much time. There's a bigger chance that it's going to, like break in the mail, and it does cost just a little bit more on shipping. So I will be going over all that in a new video coming up fairly soon. Okay. So, by the time I post this, you'll probably see it. So just go ahead and follow along, write their names down in a book, which I'm going to show you as well. So I can't wait to hear from you guys and see how many parties we can get booked. Okay, so she just ended up texting me back her address. If I can pull it up, her name is Lindsay. And so what I'm going to do is I use this lovely tiny miniature notebook that just is perfect for what I do with it. As you can see, I always put their discount that they get for being a hostess, and I always put consultant. She decided not to be, so I actually can cross her off, which is fine. And then I put a check mark next to every name that I send a sample to. So we are working on Danae's, and we got Lindsay's info, which her name is right here, Lindsay. So I'm just gonna put a check mark because I'm gonna make up that sample right now. So I just do that. I go over here, you guys, I am at work. This is how crazy I am. And I just take one of my pre-made samples, which I will show you how I do eventually. And I have them sorted by combination or normal to dry. So that way I just have to see what she is, and she is a normal to dry. So I'm just gonna grab this one. I always make sure it is normal to dry, which is the pink stripe, and the moisture renewing mask. And then I'm grabbing a little front sheet. This is for the, see you later. You're not leaving? What? No, it's early. What the heck? Can I go? 20 minutes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 58. I see what you did there. Okay. See ya. Okay. So sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so I do this in the middle of everything else. So I just grab whatever color. I love purple right now. And her name is Lindsay. So I'm going to write it at the top. I go Lyndsey and a little like, this is who it is. I write down the date, so I need to look, which I keep everything on this calendar for my parties wise, otherwise I get confused. So Danae's is on Wednesday. Oh my gosh, you guys, I might have spelled that wrong. That's because I'm recording myself. The 19th at 8 p.m. Central Time. And then, so this is kind of what this looks like. And I just literally print off a paper. It has the same thing on both sides, cut it in half. Then at the bottom, I always write, thank you. Thanks for supporting. You guys, I need to buy a tripod. Oh my gosh. Supporting Danae. Whoever the hostess is. So Danae is my hostess. And then I always put love Brandy because this is a handwritten note, so they know that you are a real human, okay? And they get excited about that. And then they're also, this has everything like why they need to wait to use the samples, which some people don't even read it. So like, let's be real. And then I just stick it right on in there, no particular order. And I use these envelopes from Amazon to do mine, which have these, oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot peel it off with one hand, but they just like, I don't have to lick them, you know? So I just fold it over. Now on the back, I write, don't open until the party, which then I write April 19th. April 19th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so that is ready to go except the front. So I use these lovely return address labels from Mary Kay, and it's called Connections. They're $14 for 100. They're so easy. They make like people know why they're getting it. So if you just write your name, sometimes they won't open it, but if it has Mary Kay, they tend to open it. So highly recommend. I also only have to use a 75-cent non-machinable butterfly stamp. These are so good. Nothing else works. Even the 2-ounce stamps, don't do it, okay? Everything will explode, and that is like a waste of our money, a waste of our product, etc. So I'm just gonna write her name and address down, and that is literally all, and it is ready to go. So Lindsay and her address, and that is it. And then I just give it to my post guy or drop it off at the post office. So this is how we make packets super quick and super easy.